hello. Today's video is the unboxing of the Fibaro Home Center 3 Lite and its initial setup. So this comes in a nice cardboard box, good eco-friendly packaging. This Fibaro Home Center 3 Lite has been creating quite some buzz because it has Lua, unlike its predecessor Home Center Lite, which basically means whatever you can do in Home Center 2 and Home Center 3, you can replicate almost all of it in this small device. So this is the device, right? It feels very lightweight to me. The official recommendation from Fibaro is it can support up to 40 Z-Wave devices, 20 scenes, 5 plugins and 10 quick apps. So this is all the user manuals. What does it have else? It has the newest Z-Wave 700 chip inside, which means it has better range and stability. So this is the USB cable and the charging head. Power it up, connect it on Wi-Fi, and we'll meet on the other side of the configuration. So I'm going to power this Home Center 3 Lite. There's this SSID that's given. I'm going to connect it and configure it to my home network, and I have it over here. So this interface is similar to the Home Center 3's interface, the same white and blue interface. This is the light mode, this is the general settings, location, variables, events, all of this. It's identical to the Home Center 3 interface. On the top panel we have the usual options. You can change to the dark mode by clicking on this. I prefer the light mode. These are the other options, that is you can change your profiles, time, date and time, weather, and these are the logged in users. The one addition over here is the limits, as I told you before, 40 Z-Wave devices, IP cams, scenes. These are the limits that you can see right over here. So let's get into adding a device. I'm going to add a Fibaro double switch. Can go on the plus button, click on the plus button, start adding by clicking the 3 times the button. It takes a few seconds. For me it took around some 20-30 seconds to add, and it got added and configured properly. Okay, so time to make it look pretty. We need to add the name. We have to put it in a room. So I'm going to add a room. In case if you have a lot of devices, then you can even use this category. I'm putting it into the living category, and I don't want to create any section for now, so I'm leaving it as it is. There is a sofa icon over here. I'll use the sofa icon for the formal living. Now I'm going to add the devices into the default room. Let's give a name for these 2 circuits. Okay, wall light, and the other, let's name it as concealed light, and we can put it into the room that we created, formal living. So this is a basic of the Home Center 3 Lite. The rest, that is quick apps and more integrations, I will show you in the upcoming videos. Thank you.